everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to this week's vlog. I just thought I would come in here. I have to upload and edit this tonight to get it up tomorrow. So I just thought I would come in here and talk to you for a minute and tell you that this week's vlog is going to be pretty short. I didn't do a lot of vlogging. I had the flu this week, so every day I did go to see my mom. You'll notice that I had the flu in the first clip because I looked horrible. But it really was the worst the first day, and then after that it progressively got better. But I would vlog when I left the house to go see her, and then I wouldn't vlog while I was there, and I would think I was going to get in the car and vlog, and I didn't. So, well, a couple of clips where I said I'll tell you what happened afterwards, and I never did. So I'm on here to tell you what happened. She's doing much better. She is doing her therapy. She is very excited to come home. She's coming home next Wednesday because I thought I was going to bring her home this weekend. But when I went in to talk to them Thursday, they had to have 3 days to set up home physical therapy. So once she gets home, so they had to have 3 business days. So they needed Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. And then I could pick her up either Tuesday afternoon or Wednesday morning. And since I have a hair appointment on Tuesday, I said Wednesday morning. And I told her, and she was okay with it the first day, but then today she thought she was coming home on Tuesday because one of them went in and said, you can go home Tuesday or Wednesday. So I had to tell her, well, I have a hair appointment, so you have to wait till Wednesday. So, sorry about that, Mom. But I always have them on Tuesdays because that's when I could always go before. And I can't reschedule it, so she just has to wait an extra night. It'll be fine. So she's coming home on Wednesday. She's doing much better. She's trying really hard to not whisper because that really annoys me. Because it's not, there's no physical reason for it. It's just a habit that she's gotten into, and I can't hear that well anyway, so it really drives me crazy when she, and the physical therapist tells her all the time, you gotta use your voice, you gotta use your voice. Whispering is actually bad for your voice, and so I constantly have to tell her, you're whispering, but she will get it. And today especially she was trying really hard because I keep telling her, just clear your throat and that'll get the vibration of your vocal cords going, and then you'll be able to talk. And so she does that, but then she'll fade out and I'll have to tell her, clear your throat again. And every time I have to speak and say, I can't hear you, or clear your throat, or you're whispering, then she forgets what she was talking about. So I told her, you have to do this yourself. You have to remember every time you're gonna talk, just to clear your throat a little bit, to make your voice come out, and if it fades away, you have to notice it and clear your throat. Because if I have to say anything, you forget what you were saying, and then you just repeat what I say. Like if I say, I can't hear you, then she'll keep talking, and she'll get her voice to go, and she'll say, I can't hear you. So it's frustrating, but she'll get it. I know she will. So that's where we're at. She'll be coming home on Wednesday, and I just thought I'd let you know this is short because I had the flu, but I'm much better now. And I'll be completely back to normal any day now. I'm still just a little bit weak is all. Well, I don't really know because I only eat once a day anyways, so I don't know why that would make me weak. Anyways, that's all I wanted to tell you. Now we'll get on with the rest of the vlog. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. I haven't really vlogged at all this week. I didn't want to at first because, well, I just didn't. After the events of Saturday, Friday, I just didn't feel like I wanted to put her in front of the camera. Anyways, and then Tuesday, I didn't feel very good, and today is Wednesday, and I still feel, actually I feel way worse. I have some sort of something going on. I don't know if it's food poisoning or what, but I was up all night with that. So I'm going to see her early today. hopefully she won't have a problem with me going home and going to bed. Anyways, I made the video for Friday last night, and it is the Nair, face Nair. I just wanted to update you that you have to be careful on certain points, because my cheekbones, you guys know how high and protruding, pronounced my cheekbones are. Well, obviously I got too much on there and left it too long, because this one's okay. I mean, I can feel a little something, but it doesn't show up. But this one, wow, it really did. So I just think though that the first time you use it, you find out what you need to know, because I'm still going to use it, because down here it feels so awesome. I didn't get enough right here, because that's my major points that I wanted to get, and it didn't work there. So next time. But I noticed that some of mine, when Nicole put it on, it was like white everywhere. So I didn't put enough on right here. And up here, I won't be putting it up that high. I'll keep it below my cheekbones. And if I get hairs up there, I'll just shave them. Anyways, that's all for now. I'm headed to see Mom. I don't know whether I'll film her or not. We'll wait and see if there's anything new there. I'll be back. Hey guys, it is Thursday, and I am on my way. I'm trying to find my sunglasses. On my way to see my mom. I think I'm probably going to get her out tomorrow. They haven't told me anything about how her physical therapy is going. She told me she's doing it, so hopefully she is. But tomorrow's Friday. She thinks she's getting out today. I told her she asked me during the week, like Monday. I think it was Monday, after her little spell, if she could get out on Saturday. And I said, I don't know. You may be getting out on Thursday. I don't know. They have to decide. They have to evaluate you and then decide if you're strong enough to come home. And so yesterday she said, today is Wednesday. Do I have to wait till morning or afternoon? And I'm like, what are you talking about? She goes, to go home. Tomorrow's Thursday. So she hung on to the fact that I said, you might get out on Thursday. And I said that you could get out on Thursday when you asked me if you could get out on Saturday. So I explained it to her and told her that they haven't told me anything. So I'm gonna go talk to them and see what they say, because I can't tell that anything's happening, and so I might as well just bring her home, because that's what she wants. So that's what I'm thinking, that I'll bring her home tomorrow, but we'll see what they say. So I don't know if I'll get any footage while I'm there. Yesterday I was there and I didn't, but I have had a bout with food poisoning. I think it was food poisoning, and I am still not over it. I'm a lot better today than I was yesterday, and the night before was the worst, but last night wasn't great, so I seem to be better during the day. Anyways, we'll see. Right now, I don't think I'm strong enough to even get her up the stairs. So that's why I'm not just going to take her home today. Besides the fact that I think they need a day's notice that I'm going to take her home. So anyways, that's where we're at. I will check back in after I find out what they say. Hey, we're here today, and Mom got her hair done. So we're just waiting on them to bring us some dinner. And she was supposed to get it cut, but she messed up and told them no, so they just curled it and washed it. But I went and talked to the lady, so they're going to redo it and cut it on Monday. So, yay! Alright, we'll check back in a little bit. Let me do it again.
Do what? Maybe I ought to go a little earlier tonight, just in case it does hail or something.
Well, okay. I'm just gonna lay down. I'm not gonna change my clothes. Lay down on the bed.
Open both eyes.
Okay, do you want something else to put on?
Well, no, I don't want to put it in bed.
One.
Here's this thing.
And,
Okay, still recording. 2.
have my
3.
and my hair. And
4.
I was gonna put my pajamas on until
5.
Because I
6,
really want to take off these.
7,
Well, I don't know how to take off those.
8,
Well, you'll have to have them take off that boot.
9,
Huh?
You'll have to have them take off that boot dice pack on it. It's gonna.
Now I'll do that one.
I know. Are you
2.
going to?
I will if you want it.
No, I don't.
No, this side. 3, down.
I could go and get it,
No, I don't.
or you could use it or not, whatever.
I'll be all right.
4.
My favorite.
No, this way. This way. 5.
I just couldn't get enough.
Don't let go.
It's been cold.
Now go to that shoulder.
Huh?
6.
It's been cold all day.
I know. I need to go to the bathroom.
7. 8. 9. One more. And 10. Okay, now I'm gonna get behind you and I want you to pull them down. We'll do 10 on one side and then 10 on the other side. That was a little too confusing. Switching back and forth. I can squeeze back here. All right, I want this hand first, this hand first.
There's not
All right.
many up there.
1,
So I've got to do something.
2, 3, 4,
I don't know who it is.
5, 6, 7,
Don't just push that button and someone will come.
8,
What?
Just push that button.
9,
They do. I
One more.
know to do that, Herman.
10.
I know to do that.
1, 2,
I don't worry about
3,
you. You've got to.
4,
Don't worry about it.
5,
Well, you've got those dogs to worry about yourself.
6,
Well, they're both inside.
I
7,
know.
8,
But I know.
9,
Purcell's there with
10.
Well, you will
Okay.
be tomorrow.
Hey guys, I just left my mom and we are in a tornado watch. So I am headed home. I was going to go buy some pants and a shirt and show you guys and everything just to get some more footage because this is going to be a really short vlog because I had the flu. I thought it was food poisoning, but I found out there's a flu going around inside the rest home or nursing home, whatever the heck this place is. And so that's what I had, I still have, but I'm way better. But I didn't vlog hardly at all this week. So it's gonna be a really short vlog, but I'm on my way home and I'm not gonna stop anywhere because we're in a tornado watch. So I'm just gonna get my butt home and I will check back in with you guys a little bit later, maybe. Probably not. I'm probably just going to end this here because I have to edit this in order to get it up first thing in the morning before we get our Saturday no internet thing. Plus, I don't know how long these thunderstorms are going to last. And that really messes with my internet too. So, if there's no vlog tomorrow, oh, you won't see this if there's no vlog tomorrow. Never mind. Alright. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Stay cool.